Hi, so today I'm going to show you how I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is the Brow Styling Wax. So currently I have all of my makeup except for my eyebrows. I just comb them a little bit. Then I have my little brush. This is a brow comb.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time.
I feel like I have a good enough amount on each eyebrow, so I'm gonna use the other side of the brush, this side, the combing side, just to separate my hairs.
Planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such.
So now it's clean. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more for the front of my brows and a little bit more on the tail.
I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode.
I think I'm done. I'm gonna let it dry and then we're gonna go in with a pencil, a brow pencil. I like the way it looks so far. It feels like they are frozen in place. It feels like they're not moving. We just need this to be done a little faster, so we're gonna use a fan. While it's drying, I'm gonna apply my lipstick. This is one of my favorite red lipsticks. I love red lips. I feel like it's sexy. Love it. And it also looks like those classic Hollywood beauties that always wear red. I'm in love with that look. So this is by Fenty Beauty, and this is Uncensored. This is also one of my favorite reds. You saw that I like the Jeffree Star Red Rum. That's my all-time favorite. That's like my favorites of the favorites. And this is a very close second. It's a very true red. It's extremely creamy. It doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't smell like anything. It's very long-lasting, comfortable. It doesn't flake or dry out your lips. So we're gonna put the lipstick on while my brows are still dry.
We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go.
My lipstick is on and I feel like my eyebrows had enough time to dry. So far with the product alone, with no eyebrow pencil, with no makeup underneath, I really do like how this performs. I love the way it looks. I like how it feels. It feels like my eyebrows can't move. Definitely freezes my hair. That's fine. I do like it. I feel like my eyebrows are not going anywhere. I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil. This is by Billion Dollar Brows, Brows on Point. And I got this in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I showed you this before. Of the point on this is very fine and it allows you to do really beautiful hair-like strokes. So I'm gonna try to fill in my brows. Hopefully I don't mess it up. And this is in the color taupe. So we're just gonna do little brow hairs to see how it comes out.
She loves the fact that I just let her know.
I was concerned at the fact that I thought this would interrupt the brow freeze, but it doesn't. It still feels really like frozen and it looks like my hairs are still flat. I was like barely touching my skin. This brow pencil is really good. Like you don't really need to press in hard. It makes the finest, beautiful hair-like strokes. So I really do like it. And the color, I was really surprised about the color taupe. Like I never even thought that I would even like taupe, but I really do like it.
Now we're together, it's a different mode.
Overall, I do love the combination of the two. This is just beautiful. I love how it lays my brows flat. But let me know what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you feel like they're too flat? Do you feel, let me know how you feel about them. And tell me if you ever tried this brow freeze before. Let me know if you liked it, if you didn't like it. I'm really happy that I bought it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my post, share my post if you know anyone who would be interested in watching my content. I love your support. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.
We getting crazy in a different role. that I just let her know.